Hi and welcome to Best4All. In this video we will show you how to making healthier diet choices. Step 1. Write up a meal plan. When you're trying to live a healthier life, your diet may be one thing you want to change. Writing up a new meal plan for yourself can help give you the guidelines you need to eat healthy all week long. A meal plan is your blueprint for each meal, snack, and beverage throughout the week. This plan can also allow you to see and plan each of your choices. You can feel confident that what you're eating each day meets your new healthier life. To start your meal plan, get a pen and paper and write out each day of the week. Write down all your meals, snacks, and drinks. Writing a meal plan can also help you have a more organized grocery list. Step 2. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating is a way of eating that helps you bring more attention and focus to how you eat. Mindful eating is important to a healthier life as it helps you enjoy eating. People who eat mindfully typically eat less, have an easier time losing weight, and get more satisfaction out of their meals. Eating mindfully involves a variety of things. To start, turn off all electronics, like your phone or TV, and remove any other distractions. You need to be able to fully focus on your meal. When you're eating, pay attention to how your food looks, how it tastes, the textures and temperatures. Really concentrate on each bite. Also take at least 20-30 minutes to eat your meal. When you take your time with your meal, you may end up eating less and enjoy your meal more. Step 3. Maintain a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet is the cornerstone of a healthy diet. Eating well is important to help you live a healthier life. When you eat a well-balanced diet, you're able to consume all the recommended nutrients your body needs. You're less at risk for nutrient deficiencies and other side effects of a poor quality diet. You will feel and be healthier. A well-balanced diet is one that includes all 5 food groups each day. In addition, it's a diet that features a wide variety of food. Don't eat the same few foods each day. This limits your ability to eat a wide variety of nutrients. Step 4. Pay attention to portion sizes. When you read the nutrition information and calorie count on food packaging, it is referring to one portion of that food item. But what is a single portion? You might eat an entire bag of chips thinking it only contains one portion, but in fact you've eaten 3 or 4 portions. Make sure you're checking portion sizes and that you're not eating more than you need to. Remember that these measurements constitute a single portion. 3-4 oz of protein, 1/2 cup of grains, 1/2 cup of fruit or 1 small piece, and 1 cup of vegetables, 1/2 cups of leafy greens. These are serving sizes per meal. If you go to a restaurant and the portion sizes are huge, as they often are, see if you can get half of your meal boxed up right away to take home. That way, you won't be tempted to clean your plate, even if you're full. Step 5. Drink more water. Make a conscious effort to drink more water. Being adequately hydrated is essential to living a healthier life. When you're dehydrated, you may experience a variety of side effects that may not only affect your health, but how you're feeling as well. When you're dehydrated, you may have chronic headaches, fatigue, and afternoon fogginess. Aim for about 8 to 13 glasses of clear, hydrating fluids each day. This amount will vary based upon your age, gender, and activity level. Drinks that can count towards water include water, flavored waters, decaf coffee, and decaf tea. Keep in mind that sports drinks often contain a lot of sugar and should be diluted with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Step 6. Limit alcohol. Excessive consumption of alcohol can lead to weight gain or weight stall, and also have negative effects of your overall health. Health professionals typically recommend that women consume no more than 1 alcoholic beverage daily, and men consume no more than 2 alcoholic beverages daily. Limit these even further than the recommendations to help support your desire to lose weight and be more slim. Alcohol provides only calories, no nutrition. Typically 1 serving of alcohol is 4 oz of wine, 2 oz of liquor, or 1/12 oz beer. Step 7. Consider supplements. When your diet is limited, due to allergies, dietary restrictions, etc., you may need to rely on a supplement to help you get enough vital nutrients for your body. Talk to your doctor about whether or not you need supplements and which ones might be right for you. Supplements can interact negatively with other medications you might be taking, So be sure you talk to your doctor about side effects and possible interactions. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, which means if you take too much, you won't just pee out the excess, but it will stay in your body. This can be very dangerous, and therefore it is important you speak with your doctor about how much you should take. Never exceed the recommended amounts. You may want to consider taking calcium, especially for women, iron for women who have a heavy period, or B12 for those who are vegan or vegetarian. Remember, vitamins are there as a backup. They shouldn't be used in place of foods. You should always aim to get as much of your nutrition from foods as possible. Step 8. Boost your serotonin levels naturally. Serotonin, the happiness hormone, regulates mood, sleep, memory, and appetite. You can increase the serotonin levels in your brain by eating vegetables and seeds with a high tryptophan to protein ratio. This is because serotonin is synthesized by tryptophan, an essential amino acid that comes from protein in food. Tryptophan cannot cross the blood-brain barrier when there is too much LNAA in your blood plasma. The carbohydrates in seeds and vegetables cause an insulin-mediated reduction of LNAA in your blood plasma, such that more tryptophan can enter the brain where it will produce more serotonin. The best ingredients are seeds like sesame, pumpkin, sunflower, butternut squash seeds. But don't roast them, because this lowers their effect. Tryptophan-rich animal products like chicken, milk, and cheese will not increase the serotonin levels in your brain. If any, they will have an adverse effect. This is because the carbohydrates in animal products don't lower the LNAA levels in your blood plasma. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends.